In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Afterpay to your Shopify app. Now, go to the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Once you are there, you will go to Payments. Now, by default, you'll probably have Shopify payments set up. If not, you can complete the account setup. However, for us, we're going to be using Afterpay, so we are going to add it as a payment method. So click Add Payment Method right here, and you can search by provider. So click on Search by Provider and search for Afterpay. As you can see right here, there is the Afterpay option. And now you can choose it by clicking here. Click on it and you should be able to install the app and connect your account. So click on Install. Simply click on Install once again. Now here, simply all you'll have to do is fill in your country and your email address and click on Next. So once you have signed up for an account, you will see some details. I'm going to fill on these and move on. And with that, you should have successfully installed Afterpay into your store. Just make sure to complete your business information and you should be good to go.